The purpose of this video is to provide an overview of Section 2 of the Individual Learning Plan, ILP assignment. Section 2 of the ILP continues the data collection phase in an action research cycle. Candidates will continue to demonstrate progress towards mastery of CSTP. In this section, you will identify and describe 3 resources that you will implement toward the professional growth goal you developed in Section 1 of the assignment. The first resource is specified to be a peer observation. Thoughtfully consider who you will observe to support the professional growth goal and then answer the following questions. Resources 2 and 3 can be a variety of sources such as professional development workshops, trainings, websites, books, scholarly articles, conferences, etc. For each resource, you will be asked specifically how it relates to the growth goal you have developed, including questions about anticipated impacts on teaching and student learning, as well as the types of evidence you can gather. There is a section to continue the candidate-mentor conversation, including just-in-time support and what is happening with the preceding section of the induction assignment. This section concludes with verification, requiring the signature and review of both your mentor and a second reviewer.